everyone, Tanya here. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm doing a little grilling. Burgers, some beef, sausages, and I have a spatchcock chicken over here. The grill is ready to go, so stay tuned. I'm going to do the burgers and the sausages first, and then I'm going to do the chicken. I'm going to do that by itself. So thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned, and I'll keep you posted on the progress. And this is a low-carb meal. I'm just going to have a salad with it, and maybe, garnish it with some peppers and onions. Maybe we'll just see how it goes, okay? Okay, guys, the burgers are on the grill. I have them on the direct heat side, and then if they start cooking too fast, I'll put them over on this side here. So it should take maybe 20 minutes, and everything should be good. And then when I put the chicken on, I'll come back on. Okay, guys, the burgers are looking good. Sausages are cooking up nicely. Few more minutes. This is how I like my sausages. And when these are done, then I'll put the spatchcock chicken on. Okay, guys, the sausages and the burgers are done. I haven't had breakfast yet, so one of these has my name on it. All right, so I'm getting ready for that. Getting ready for the spatchcock chicken coming up next. Okay, guys, the chicken is ready. It's off the grill. I'm going to get the thighs out, and then I'm going to take it inside, and we're going to create a platter, okay, because the flies will get to this too fast. It's beautiful out here, but I can't work out here. And I've swapped out my tongs a couple of times, so I'm not using the raw tongs with the cooked food. Okay, that's it. Let's see, the flies are away. I might be able to create this platter. No, I'm going to take it inside, okay? Just a minute. Okay, guys, this is my finished mixed grill. I got my grilled chicken here, and there's the chicken thighs there. Got the burgers and the beef sausages, and I just made a cute little board here, garnished it with peppers and some broccoli, and here's some fresh heirloom tomatoes I'm garnishing it with. And that's how quick you can pull together a nice festive mixed grill platter. Okay, and I want to thank everyone for tuning in today, and I appreciate your support. If you like content like this, I welcome you to join the table and hit subscribe. At the end of this video, you will see my picture. Tap on it, hit subscribe, and you have reserved a seat at the Tanya's Tasteful Table. All right, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.